Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I built this and how it works. Now this might look a bit confusing and overwhelming, but give me a sec to explain how it works and how I made it. So let's get in the video. Alright, let's take a look at the parts I used to build this. So here I've got a color or a light sensor. This will help me predict if a wall is coming and if the robot should stop. Next, you guessed it, ultrasonic sensor. Now this ultrasonic sensor will predict if there's an object here. And if there's an object, this claw will grab it and then push it aside. Next, we've gotten two buttons here. One is to easily exit the code, and then one is to stop the robot for some time. Here's the main brake. I have two motors here to drive tracks, and then one motor here to move the claw, open and close the claw. This robot started out as just a brake with two motors and simple wheels, but then I upgraded it to tracks. I added a claw. I put two sensors and two buttons to make it work even better. Let's see how I built it. Okay guys, so as you can see, that's my robot right there. It's been all set and ready to go. So let's see how it works. So I've built like a little box, so whenever it tries to hit a wall or the mirror, it'll just come back or turn around and start moving again. So let's start. So I've started the code. Okay guys, so now that we know that this sensor works, next we will testing out the claw. So here I have this box with this plate where it will be sitting on. So I'm just gonna set that up here, and then when I start my robot, I might have to move this because it's not very accurate, but it should grab this box and move it aside. Oh, okay, so the box is right over there. So let's start. So the box has been picked up and it's been dropped there. Okay guys, so now we know that the claw works, but what about these two buttons? So if I start the code, so the wheels have started spinning. Now if I press this button, the wheels will pause for 7 seconds and then start again. But if I press this button, the code has exited and I'll have to press this button to start it again. So yeah, let's take a look at the code. Guys, as you can see, this is my code. So here's how it works. So when this starts, I want to give it some time to set up. So I put like some light indication. Then here's where the main code starts. So this happens in a forever loop. So if the ultrasonic sensor, which is this right here, senses the distance of, which is at pin 4, senses the distance of 4 centimeter or less, the wheels will stop moving and then it will spin around and then it'll grab the object, it'll turn around, it'll put it aside and then it'll start moving again. If there is no object, it should keep moving straight. Now if the reflected light intensity on port number 3 is less than 1%, it should stop moving, go backwards, turn left, and then keep moving ahead. Else if, keep moving straight. Now here's where the button comes. If button on port number 2 is pressed, then stop and exit the program. If else if, keep moving. If button on port 1 is pressed, then stop moving, wait 5 seconds, and then continue moving. And this keeps happening in a forever loop. So if ultrasonic sensor gets this, it'll follow this code, then it'll move again. Then if this is pressed, it'll keep doing it that. And yeah,